Hey history fans, today we're going to Northern Europe to learn about Latvia, a small but strong country on the Baltic Sea. It's a country with a history full of knights, empires, freedom, and bouncing back from tough times. From old tribes to modern technology, let's explore Latvia's history in just 3 minutes. Long ago, Latvia was home to tribes like the Latgalians, Selonians, and Curonians. They were farmers, fishermen, and traders. They used the Daugava River, a super important waterway for Viking traders. Around the 1100s, Christian Crusaders from the north came to this area. In the 1200s, knights called the Livonian Brothers of the Sword, who later joined a bigger group called the Teutonic Order, took over Latvia. They started a new country called Livonia, ruled by Germans. German influence was strong for hundreds of years, especially in cities like Riga, which was part of a big trading group called the Hanseatic League. Latvia became a place where empires fought. In the 1500s and 1600s, parts of Latvia were ruled by Poland, Lithuania, Sweden, and then Russia. Under the Russian Tsars, Latvians were forced to become more Russian, but in the 1800s they started to remember their own language, stories, and who they were. After World War I, Latvia became free in 1918, but not for long. In 1940, the Soviet Union took over, then the Nazis, and then the Soviets again in 1944. It was a hard time for Latvians. Many were sent away, and the Soviets tried to make them Russian again. But in the late 1980s, Latvians sang their way to freedom and became independent again in 1991 when the Soviet Union fell apart. Today, Latvia is a free country and part of the European Union and NATO. It's known for technology, fun festivals, and bringing back the Latvian language and traditions. From knights to modern times, Latvia's story is about surviving, culture, and starting over. And that's Latvia in 3 minutes. From ancient tribes and foreign rulers to freedom and being a leader in Europe, Latvia's story is amazing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning. Thanks for learning about Latvian history with us. See you in the next episode of History in 3 Minutes.